We have got a chestnut burnished loafer. Now, believe it or not, when this comes in the showroom, it is such a light colour. We clean it, we put a burgundy polish on it, and then we burnish it. Then it gets antiqued with a beech nut antique colour. So on these, the polish we use is a black. I know it sounds weird, but it is a black colour. And it looks spectacular. Brings all the nice richness out. So you just rub it over with your sponge. Don't be too afraid because it won't discolour too much. And you buff it up with your rag. Look how that looks, absolutely beautiful. Now the edges, they may weather. All you need to do is don't panic. Get a bit of brown polish on your cloth, around the edges, and buff it up. And it blends in with a beautiful upper.